Yo, some of my best weld. That's my best welds right there.
Hey,
You know how awesome that is.
yeah, no cheese.
It's floosh.
You know we're not rocking with that lactose, baby. Yeah, push that dairy product all the way to the side. Come on.
So these are the wheels that I got, and we're mounting them right to here with a little bit of a gap, a reveal between the edge since the steel is rounded. So I got them clamped on with my clamps. That's where I'm going to set it, and we'll do a plug weld, plus I'll weld around the edges. Anti-spatter spray worked though. So this way, right here. So we clamp this down here.
Yeah. It's no cheese gang all day, every day. Yeah. We don't play with none of that. No mozzarella, no cheddar, no squid. What you know about my life? Ain't no cheese, stay within my sight. No, it's not a game, you gon' pay the price. I've been off my meds without beat.
Okay, I gotta fill in this. I just noticed it. I noticed it last night and forgot about it.
Give me some respect, yeah, I think you should. Don't bring no cheese up inside my hood. What's good with my vegans? They know what I mean. Still eat meat, but
All right, we gotta grind that off.
way, yeah, it's too obscene. Hard in my girlfriend. That's a break up, cold shorty is the one. Wish I knew what you were really about from the jump. I am not the jump, so the shorty got dumped. Watch my mouth.
Oh, that's such a better weld than my others. Yeah, let's see how this works. Cantilevered on the wheels, if it's gonna damage the wheels. Nope, doesn't look like it. Oh boy. Okay, definitely easy to roll around. Dude. Okay, how awesome is it? So here we go. This is our small parts storage for those parts. Storage organizers. And guess what? We got the wheels on. Yeah, baby. Yeah, look at that. And it's smooth. So smooth. So yeah, we got them welded on underneath. And the small parts storage units will go in there. And today I used anti-spatter spray, which I should have been using it for a while, because it would have kept a lot of that from happening. But yeah, we are golden now. It's got to clean up a couple of welds, like the fillets there. But yeah, this is pretty awesome. I'm happy with it. So a lot of hours in on this. But yeah, we're learning. We're learning how to weld. I don't do it. You do it. Here's what it looks like with the organizers in there. So you got enough room for front to back, and we can do front to back, or I can stack them in there. I think I like the idea of having one accessible from this way and then switching the handle around so it's accessible from this side. Only problem is if I have this side against the wall, then I can't like reach in and get it, so I would have no choice but to reach through and pull it. So I don't know, I have to think about that. But so that workbench there, I might need this for a little bit because I have to build my plasma cutter CNC. But eventually this is going to replace it as like a workbench, where the miter saw, that miter saw will be like right in the middle, but it will be removable. All right, so I had that other, it was the part of the frame that was tweaked, so I cut it apart into 4 sections. It's a 24 7/8, which fits in here exactly. And I'm using these new C-clamps that I purchased, welding clamps, to attach a piece of angle iron to the bottom of this, and then it comes out a little bit, and I have the 2 clamps on this holding it to here so it doesn't move, and then this piece of angle iron here, and so yeah, it's working out well. And now I'm going to weld the sides to get that set into place, and then that way it'll have more support for the tabletop that goes on. Whoa. So I watched a video on how to do the rotating. I just did it, and it's coming out really good. Yo, some of my best weld. That's my best welds right there. You know how awesome that is. It is floosh.
Keep it to yourself, it ain't for me, bro. Burger on the bread is all I need, ketchup with a little bit of glaze, hold the cheese, hold the cheese, keep it to yourself, it ain't for me, bro. Burger on the bread is all I need, ketchup with a little bit of glaze, hold the cheese, don't you test me. Better call the police now to come arrest me. Don't be slick and try to put some in my eggs, please. Acting like it's all a game, you bout to rest peace. Yes, that is the remedy to live a peaceful life. Y'all be the only reason I can sleep at night. Dreaming about that cheese up on that piece.
Yeah, these guys ain't moving. They're on there. All right, now I gotta sand down or grind down this top, and then we'll get the piece of sheet metal on there. So yeah, so these clamps worked well. I got a 10-pack of them, so we got plenty. We got plenty. This is the box of clamps. You can see I got 10 in there. Yeah, buddy. It was very heavy. It's a lot of metal in there. So yeah, 10 clamps. Find them all. Find more tools. And so I picked up a 10-pack of Find them all. These are C-clamps. Yeah, buddy. 10-pack of these jobbies. Yeah, look at that. And then I used them with some angle iron to secure on the bottom. And I got my welds. Yeah, look at these welds. Welds are doing a lot better. I watched a video last night. I forget who it was, but did a really good job at explaining it. And I replicated it, and I'm like, yeah, buddy. So now I just got to make sure that this is flat, because I got to put that piece of sheet metal on here. And yeah, we are ready to go. Yeah, buddy. Welding. We are welding. So yeah, the table's almost done. Yeah, look at that bad boy. Yeah, buddy. And then on the end here, I'll have some like pegboard storage or something. See if I can find something that'll work. I might have to get something like wall control and then cut it down to fit in this space. But I was also thinking about doing like a swinging arm that could come out and add extra support for the miter saw that'll be up there. So we will see. I don't do it, you do it.
With that lactose, baby. Yeah, push that dairy product all the way to the side. Come on.